One of the most significant support zones for XRP, which we all thought of as strong resistance, and one of the most effective support levels that XRP has clung to for a while now, is that of the $1.07 support zone. XRP must hold its price above this support level to avoid a massive crash. On the other hand, expert analysts are predicting a win for Ripple in the ongoing lawsuit with the SEC, which would see the price of XRP reaching new all-time highs. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. XRP must hold above its current support level, which was believed to be its previous resistance point, as seen in August's chart from a while back. Remember that this support level we're talking about is the $1.07 support zone. If we're to look back a few months, maybe a little towards April, we could see that this support level as of present was acting as strong resistance. Back then, this support was preventing XRP from breaking out to newer highs. A while later, the bulls took hold of the market. Based on the current price action for XRP, when compared to the prices from 5 months ago, we can see that the previous price corrections had been held by the $7 support level at the point labeled A. And from then on forward, this support was able to maintain that position until the bulls could transform the bearishness into an upward swing to the point marked as B. Then a little bit of more upswing to C right before dipping slowly and steadily until we touch the $1.07 support level yet again. This shows that this support zone is XRP's most significant fallback zone, which, when broken through, would be hard to recover. Hence, XRP has to move ahead further to hold the prices above this threshold. Following the latest events in the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit, the recent court documents filed are with a confidential label placed across the envelope. What does that mean? It means that these documents are blocked from public view. Just as Ripple files another motion to seal certain documents, which the company had termed as containing some competitive and sensitive business information regarding Ripple's contracts and work orders with third-party customers. There's more and more indication that the Ripple vs. SEC case is slowly coming to a close after many months of fact discovery and interrogatories dispute, given the increased irregularities in the case. Many expert analysts believe that the outcome in the case would trigger a rally for XRP. Currently, venture capitalists are yet to delve into the crypto markets and make a full impact. Nonetheless, the engagements of retail investors suffice to propel the XRP coin well enough until the whales step in. Just as the SEC has filed a motion to protect the documents requested by Ripple to conceal the commission's sensitive data regarding cryptocurrency regulations from the prying eyes of the general public, in the same vein, the esteemed members of the XRP community, especially those of the XRP army, have revealed one of the 13 entries that are to be regarded as internal SEC documentation in the ongoing lawsuit. Among those is the Hinman speech, the former SEC Director of Corporation Finance, whose name was sealed as an entry in one of the emails submitted for appraisal by SEC officials. One particular XRP proponent asserted that the Hinman speech was an accumulation of a collection of people's opinions and not just his. Hence, it should be treated even more seriously. Given the ongoing investigation levied against Coinbase on the grounds of its newly announced lend feature, which the company is looking to put up live, in addition to the ongoing lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC, members of the XRP community are wondering when regulatory clarity would be attained. This lawsuit, which dates back to December of 2020, and given the Hinman speech, has gotten crypto enthusiasts from all over the globe asking such questions as to whether the SEC is picking winners and losers in this thing. Although the primary custodians of the XRP coin are under investigation by the SEC, institutional investors have not made big moves regarding getting involved with Ripple since the inception of the lawsuit. Yet the number of digital wallets currently housing XRP has increased by more than 200% over the last 3 months. And with those enormous sums of XRP tokens from about a few months ago being transferred between exchanges, it's a direct indication that XRP is changing more hands under the hood than we know. With more retail traders accepting the XRP coin, despite the delisting of the asset from several spot exchange trading platforms, primarily those in the US, the possibility for XRP to reach some significant price bump in the long term is almost undeniable. More expert analysts like Peter Brandt have continued to share a rather constructive analysis of the Ripple asset from the perspective of the long-term gains, which have prompted the prediction from most of these analysts regarding XRP to be that the coin must hold above the $7 support zone to avoid a 30% crash. Based on popular predictions, XRP will likely hit the next significant resistance at $1.27 before rallying further. On the other hand, venture capitalists are on the lookout for a regulatory shelter for cryptocurrency startups. A consortium of venture capital firms with investments in digital currency-related companies, spearheaded by Andreessen Horowitz and Union Square Ventures, has requested that the SEC provide them with a safe harbor from securities laws for specific projects. According to close associates and sources in this movement, other notable law firms like Cooley LLP and McDermott Will & Emery were also involved in the effort. The plea was filed through the Perkins Coie law firm, representing different stakeholders, and was served in the form of a 49-page notice directed to senior SEC staff on Friday, March 26 of this year. That memo argues that while specific digital tokens sold to select investors before wider availability may qualify as securities, they should be granted protection from regulations once used for non-investment purposes. Furthermore, a dedicated document from an anonymous venture capital group outlines the best strategy to serve as a safe harbor for certain digital assets that would allow for a more flexible regulatory framework within the US. The working group conveniently highlights its willingness to work with the SEC to obtain no-action letters that prevent specific legal actions, given that all firms included within the pact comply with regulatory guidance, as this would help remedy the uncertainty and confusion within the cryptocurrency industry in the US. Through this agreement, the group is proposing a non-exclusive safe harbor to aid in the establishment of a clear-cut framework in the industry on what is to be regarded as an investment contract, as well as how the law and regulations that govern these investment contracts are to be meted on such digital assets like utility tokens. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.